Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Zone. We all know that now is the perfect time to invest in NFT. Still, you shouldn't just buy any NFT. In fact, there are some things to look out for before buying one. Today's video will discuss things to look for when buying NFT. Also, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more NFT content. Without further ado, let's head into the video. As the NFT region continues to grow and evolve, you may find yourself becoming overwhelmed by the quantity of new information and changes that are made available on a daily basis to you. Listed below are 4 considerations to bear in mind before transacting on an NFT marketplace in order to aid you in getting started. Your interests are key. Prior to diving deeply into the world of NFTs, it's essential to first choose which type of NFT would best tickle your interest, and then pursue that interest. Fortunately, the number of NFT categories are essentially limitless, despite the fact that digital art, video games, and music are currently dominating the landscape. Doesn't it seem enticing though? It is possible that there will be additional distinction between within these categories and all others. For example, between NFTs that are perceived as premium, for example, those developed by well-known artists, creators, and NFTs that are perceived as more wide, for example, those created by everyone else. The location of where you obtain your NFTs may have a major influence on the overall quality of your collection, depending on the type of collection you choose to build. There are a variety of NFT markets to select from in order to accommodate different types of NFT collections. The nonprofit sector, which includes everything from general nonprofits to industry-specific ones like games and the arts, has marketplaces that cater to all consumers. In order to understand more about the wide variety of NFTs available, beginners may find the recently formed top decentralized NFT platform, featured by Binance, and the soon-to-be published Binance NFT Marketplace to be ideal places to begin their investigation. Everything from world-class NFTs created by premium artists to NFTs created by emerging artists will be available, guaranteeing that there will always be something for every taste and preference. By the way, what types of NFTs are you most interested in? Let us know in the comment section down below. Transaction fees. It occurs to everyone at some time in their lives as we identify the item we're seeking for and continue to the checkout page with a certain price in mind. We're taken aback when we discover that a large transaction fee has been added to the final total. Because of the wide variety in pricing for NFTs, it's important to be aware of not just a platform's transaction prices, but also the gas fees connected with the underlying blockchain, well in advance of deciding whether or not to use it. Transaction fees range significantly from one platform to another. After all, the word transaction fee itself may have varied connotations depending on the platform being referred to. According to this definition, all additional expenses connected with a sale are paid to the platform or the author, and NFT platforms are currently collecting anything from 2.5% to 15% in transaction charges. Keeping this in mind while assessing whether or not an NFT transaction may result in extra costs is crucial to remember. When it comes to individuals who are new to the NFT space, the Binance NFT Marketplace may be a good place to start their research into the space. Apart from offering a diverse selection of NFT categories, the platform's transaction fees, which are as low as 1%, are also among the lowest in the industry. The knowledge that they will not be slapped with any unexpected costs after the transaction has been completed allows participants to execute transactions with confidence and peace of mind. Last but not least, there are fuel surcharges. It's necessary to pay gas fees in order for transactions on any blockchain to be added to the underlying network. This is true for any blockchain, not just Bitcoin. Transaction charges for Ethereum transactions have climbed to as high as 70 USD per transaction, according to recent data. Non-financial transaction, NFT transactions on Binance will take place on the Binance Smart Chain, where gas rates are extremely low, typically measured in cents rather than dollars, and transaction confirmation times are extremely rapid. Liquidity and market volume. A large portion of what is now available on the market may be categorized as collectibles due to the fact that NFTs are still in their infancy. Such non-financial assets, NFTs, are often purchased and then kept by the purchaser with the hope that the asset would eventually increase in value. In contrast, much as with an oil painting, the ease with which the asset may be resold back into the market might be difficult, particularly if the underlying product has become unpopular with investors. As a result, it's critical to understand that purchasing NFTs is fundamentally different from purchasing Bitcoin, which is always liquid owing to large market volumes on cryptocurrency exchanges and is, as a result, not advised. It's possible that the type and popularity of NFT you purchase may need you to make a long-term commitment in which you'll confront restricted liquidity in a weak market for that asset while you wait and hope for the value of that NFT to increase in value. According to the firm, when compared to other NFT marketplaces, Binance delivers a unique value proposition that alleviates the concerns of consumers and sellers who wish to have greater assurances of liquidity in the NFTs that they acquire. Due to its dominant position in the cryptocurrency exchange industry, Binance will act as a natural link between the exchange platform and the NFT platform, providing a seamless transition between the two. Using both will be seamless across the two locations, resulting in increased liquidity and trading ease in the NFT marketplace, which will be beneficial to all parties involved. This year, the most prominent decentralized NFT platform featured by Binance will be focused on assisting our brand partners in launching NFT assets with compelling, distinctive narratives by leveraging Binance's extensive experience in token launches and market building in the NFT sector, among other things. For NFT creators and collectors, it serves as a platform for them to exchange their assets, as well as a set of creator tools for minting, selling, and exhibiting their NFT works on the internet. The experience. Many non-financial transaction markets are simply that, marketplaces. Quite simply, it's a platform for the exchange of digital assets on the blockchain, as the name implies. For those that participate in NFT, it's possible that they'll get much more from the experience, and should. There are a myriad of options available in both the real and digital worlds thanks to NFTs. These new digital assets are also kindling a new level of enthusiasm in the asset sector, in addition to bringing artists closer to the people who buy their products. So far, we've focused on NFTs as collections, but they may be used for a variety of other purposes as well. Users have gained access to a level of utility in the virtual world that was before unattainable to them, thanks to the launch of NFTs on platforms like Decentraland and Axie Infinity, among others. This feature enables members of these platforms to trade and swap valuable things with one another without having to rely on the platform itself to complete the transaction. Also, make sure to write your thoughts on what your favorite NFT marketplace is in the comments section. This intriguing new class of assets has just lately begun to heat up, and it is an exciting time for everyone to begin becoming involved in this fascinating new class of assets at this point in time. There's a lot to look forward to for anyone interested in becoming active or starting a collection, especially as the space develops, more people join, and companies like Binance add fascinating new areas to create a great experience for the whole community. It is an ideal time to become a member of the NFT economy, take advantage of the opportunity, and get going with buying your first NFTs. What do you think about these things to look for when buying an NFT? What do you think is most important when buying one? Let us know in the comments section. This brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you had fun watching it. Give us a like if you did, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated. Also, activate the bell to get notified for all our upcoming videos on the world of NFTs. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video.